All right, Skittles is going to try 2021 Topps Tribute. 1 on top, 4 on bottom. Number 3. Third one down. Stream on Twitch? I would like to, but from my understanding, Twitch doesn't like people to double stream. Is that true? That means you can't stream YouTube and Twitch at the same time, or is that not true? I would like another streaming platform other than the Breaker site, because no one goes there anymore. Oh, see you, Alan T. Have a good weekend, man. Can you double stream? Fernando Tatis. Joey Bart. That's fake news? Oh, okay, then I'll do it then. Somebody tell me how to do it. Anderson Tejada. Somebody have R90 call me up and set me up. Skittles number to 199, Anderson Tejada and Cody Bellinger. Oh, that's what it is. Dan Spell. Dan Spell right there is right. You can. That's what I heard. You can't be partnered on Twitch and stream on YouTube too. Something like that, right? Anthony Rendon. Matt Chapman game used jersey number to 150. Bo Bichette happens. Wade Boggs. Casey Mize, number to 150. And Max Scherzer. Jacob, can I call you Jacob and you walk me through it? You know how to do it? Kettle Marte and Keston Hiura, number to 50, triple jersey. Pay and Panini point. Xander Bogaerts. This should be an autograph, Skittles. Possibly a redemption. No, it's real. Bryce Harper and Luis Garcia. Purple, 32 of 50. Ty Cobb. Hank Aaron. And Wade Boggs bat jersey, 13 of 50. Alvarez to 99. That's it. Thanks a lot, Skittles. I appreciate it, man.